Hi friends, it's Tiffany from Bainbridge Blooms. So this morning I had a little time while my soap is curing that I wanted to work on my loofah project. So I will show you some clips of the vine on the chicken coop when it was healthy, but obviously it's died because we got a frost because loofah is a cold sensitive plant. So today I want to harvest the loofahs. They did not grow, they did grow. They did not dry on the vine like I would have preferred. So now I have to harvest the loofahs, dry them in the oven to get the natural sponge. So thought I'd bring you along with me. All right, first step is ripping the vine off and harvesting all the loofahs. Okay, so now I have to sift through this and find the good loofahs. Now, it rained yesterday, so I think some of these are really rotten, so I don't think I'm going to save a lot of them. Some of them broke because I was a little aggressive. So like this is broken. I will feed that to the chickens and they will be happy. So let's go through these and see. I'm going to get my cart. Got the cart. Let's see. All right, so that's going in. Like, look at this. Oh, whoops. That's okay. That'll just help the drying process. Look how huge this is. Not bad. A little smaller. Oh, I broke it. Shoot. Bella, no. Alright, I need to maybe not be so aggressive. I think I'm going to get some scissors. But look at how big these things are. Alright, I'm going to continue to this. I think I'm going to go get some scissors. Check it out. I have a whole cart full of loofahs. Some of them are going to go to the chickens, like this one. See how it's rotten? I'm just going to give that one to the chickens right now. But gosh, I got a lot. Hi friends. Okay, I'm back. So it's been 2 hours and I have had this loofah that we're doing an experiment on today in the oven at 300 degrees for 2 hours. You saw me cut off the ends. Let's see what it looks like. Let me put these on because it's gonna be hot. Okay, kind of smells like pumpkin. Look at this. It is very hot, so I'm gonna use this. A lot of liquid came out of this thing. Look at this. Wow. But look on the inside. Can you see that? It's like a sponge. Oh, it's hot. So I'm gonna let this cool and then I'm gonna peel. Let's see. It's hot, but oh yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh, I did it. Look at how cool this is. So it's a sponge. Can you see it? Oh, this is cool. Hold on, let me get a better angle. Look, it's a sponge. It worked. So all you have to do is peel the skin off. It's really hot. Okay, I'm gonna use the tongs. Use some tongs. Look. I have a sponge. Oh my gosh. This is really hard to do one-handed. It totally works. So I'm gonna peel this and then I'll show you the final result. Hot.
Sweet. I'm so excited. It worked.
Oh my gosh, we did it. I have a sponge. Can you see this? This is a natural loofah sponge. It started as a seed in January, but I grew it as a vine, then it became a squash. Then I let it stay on the vine died, I harvested, I roasted, and now it is a sponge. I'm gonna dry them and use it as a sponge. All right, that's pretty much it. Just wanted to show you the process of how to make a loofah sponge. It just took 11 months. It's cool, whatever. All right, hope you guys are having a great day. I will talk to you later. Bye.